front of me I have two power steering pumps. One on the left is a bad one, has the pulley. We need to put this pulley on this new one. I'm going to just wanted to demonstrate quickly on how easy it is to really put one of these on. First off, you're going to need a power steering pulley remover. An installer, I highly recommend this OEM Tools brand. I've used a couple off of Amazon that were really cheap, and it just bent, like literally the metal bent. This thing I've been using for probably 2 or 3 years now, and it's great, lifetime warranty, not a sponsor, but just what I've been using. So let's demonstrate this for you. Okay, well, now that I just broke them apart, but anyways, this is how it's set up from the box. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna start off with these. Now, there's two separate sides. There's as you can tell from this angle, it's a lot longer. So that's gonna connect right to the bottom of here. Next, we're gonna put this all the way down to the base, or semi down. Now we're gonna put that in. It's gonna touch the center. A little further, okay. There. And then it comes with this little sleeve, kind of locks it into place. And we're gonna just hold it like this. Okay, so now if you have power tools, be nice. Air tools, nice. But you can't do this by hand, it's just gonna take you a little longer. So I'm gonna hold the base with a 21 millimeter, and then I'm going to drive this to the right with a 16 millimeter. There, give it, yeah, I'm just getting it tight. I'm gonna turn up the power. Turn up the power a little bit more. And there you have it. Done. Okay, so now with this pulley, we're just gonna kind of get it on where it's level at least. And then we're gonna find one that threads into the center. There comes with a couple different adapters. You just gotta find the right one. Which I got the right one the first time, so yay me. There. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the top screw with the 14, and then using an 18 millimeter to drive it down. There you have it, nice and flush. That's how simple it is to put one of these on if you have the right tools, with, you know, good quality tools. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.